Good morning. I've come to this stretch of river today to try and finish some business that I had here a couple of months ago. You may recall, some of you regular followers, that I struggled with a rod that, before I even started fishing, broke in pieces, and then about 100 meters upstream there were some forest rangers cleaning some hoses or pipes or something. So I'm here today to have another go. There's a lot more water on board. I'm going to start off with a dry dropper, a tandem, and see how I get on. It will be short casts, I'm sure of that, because of the speed that it's coming back. But let's see what we can do. Feels like there's a bit of a downstream breeze as well. I've got a hare's ears the dry. That was an offer, I'm sure. Never mind. Come on. It's the first fish of the day, which I almost lost. And that's to the hare's ear. Which is not a bad start. Let's see if we can get this out. Certainly wanted it, didn't you? There we go. And off you go. Wasn't quite how I was expecting to release it, but it will do for a start. Well, that was a good start, so here we go again. The wind is certainly bringing it back towards me. Might have to back cast. Backcasting is not the ideal situation, but I don't have a lot of option here, I don't think. Yes, took the nymph right at the end there. At least I think it was, yeah. Right at the end of the run. Oh, not under my fly line. Come on, come on, come on. That's it. Oh, small fish. But very welcome. And there's the nymph. Just popped out. Off you go. Oh, the unfinished business is doing okay at the moment. So that's one to the dry and one to the nymph. Let's move a little bit further up this deeper area here. Oh, I missed it. Came up for it and missed it. That was a decent fish as well. Right in midstream. This is wicked stuff, this. Oh dear. On the back cast there. Taking the nymph. Well, I thought it had taken the nymph, but it hasn't. It's taken the dry. Didn't even see it come. So, it's a nice surprise. Must have been just as I was on the lift off. Come on, calm down. Right. There we go. And out you go, and off you go. Oh, that was a surprise fish. Dear, dear. The wind's just caught it and taken it over there. What a shame. See what I've lost. Lost everything, so let's tackle up again. Right, I've put on a new tippet, new flies. I've changed the nymph slightly to, it's the same nymph but it's got a silver bead on it. It's quite overcast today, so it may be okay. Yeah, I think they've gone a bit heavy on the bead, so I'm going to lighten up. Right, let's have another go for a lighter bead. Move downstream a little bit. Yeah, downstream wind. Just saw a trout swim out from under my feet there. wind. Not good for this sort of fishing. It's blown it straight into the reeds on the cast, into the canes. See if I've got my fish, see if I've got my flies rather. Yes, I have.